Today's video is going to be an updated room tour. Sorry if that made you dizzy. But yeah, like I said, an updated room tour. There is a couple of things that has changed in my room since the last update. So I've moved that over there. It used to be over there. And I've got that mirror now. So let's get into it and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so the first thing you see in my room is the big giant unicorn, and I love it so much. And yeah, then when you turn this way, you see my onesie, my Christmas onesie, and this like throw on from Saffron Barker. It's from her merch. Didn't get it specifically sent to me. But then you see my Xbox, my TV was Squint, other controller. Well, I've got other one over there. And then this is the, I would say the typical YouTube makeup drawers. So of course I needed to get them. Then I've got a card that's just there, and then the love sign, and that's not gonna stay up. And then to this side I've got the typical mirror. If you have seen my last updated room tour, I had this mirror too. And then I've got this mirror now for my outfit, and these quotes just say awkward together forever, and it sounds really bad, but I love these two quotes, and they're not really positive, but we're positive in our mindset. But it says she believed she couldn't, so she didn't. And then I've got this hanging up, and it says weird is a side effect of awesome. So if you are weird, show it off, because that means you're awesome. Okay, so the next part is this side. And this side has just got my games and my movies, and then my speaker. And then I've still got my side table here. Sorry if it's a little bit wonky like my filming. But that's just got my like cables and that in, my gloves and scarves in there, and my skincare. And that's my gold, well I think it's bronze, but I would say bronze, but I would say it's gold. But my golden R. And then this used to be over there, but I moved it to there. And that's just my alarm clock, some tissues if I need them, and then my jewellery ring handle, like hand. And then, oh yeah, and then I've got a Too Faced bag down there from when my sister got me makeup for Christmas. And then mind, this is just recipes, but this bit is a little bit bad, but yeah. But let me just talk you through. So this is my like pencils and pens. This is body spray, Minion. Thing I used to like, I made when I was younger. A camera, what I don't like rarely use. Don't ask why there's like a toothbrush here, it's like a weird toy. But then there's like novelty bits, like perfumes, but mostly perfumes are here. So I've got a lot of perfumes. And then I've got a billboard, like a board thing there, but I'm not going to show that because pictures that people may not want up, but I know these two are alright. So that's what it looks like. And then I've got my jewellery box. And I've got jewellery there. A rose, what my boyfriend got me. It is meant for the bath, but I've got sensitive skin, so I just use it for decoration. And then I've put my unicorn light here. And then I've got another tandem light thing, but I need to put batteries in them. And then I've got that unicorn, what lights up as well. So yeah, that is like the main part. Well, that is my room. And then I've still got the unicorn up there. So this is the overview of my room. Hope you like it, and let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm pointing at you. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. And comment down below any other video ideas. Just a shout out. Just a random shout out to any person who vlogs nearly every day or even vlogs. Well done on you, because even filming it like this, my arm was not killing me, but it was starting to hurt. So well done. But yeah, I'll see you in another video, and I'll see you next time.